Hello dear friends, in this video I will provide you with information about Alp Electrostatic Filter Systems. Are you troubled by smoke and odor? Is smoke and odor a problem for you? Don't worry at all. Alp Electrostatic Filter Systems offers a complete solution to your problem. Alp Electrostatic Filter Systems are manufactured at Alperen Engineering's factory in Istanbul, in their own facilities. It is a completely 100% domestic production, created by the talented engineers from Turkey, and produced item. If you own a restaurant or a business, do not add or remove important information in any circumstance. If you own an industrial facility and the smoke and odor coming from your chimney is a problem for you, from now on, smoke and odor will no longer be a problem for you, because Alp Electrostatic Filter Systems were designed and manufactured to free you from the problem of smoke and odor. I would like to briefly explain the equipment inside our Alp Electrostatic smoke and odor filtration products. At the air intake section, firstly we have our pre-filter group, followed by our electrostatic filters, then our ozone filter, followed by our carbon filter made of active granules, and finally, at the clean air outlet point, we have our fan group, which operates very quietly and is designed with special performance. Now, I would like to introduce you in more detail to the equipment found in Alp's electrostatic filter smoke and odor filtration products. At the air intake part of our product, there are metal filters. These filters are the first to encounter the polluted air. Our filters are very easy to install and remove due to the quick change system. They can be easily disassembled and reassembled. Behind our pre-filter group, we have the inclusion of electrostatic filters within our system. Our electrostatic filters also have a quick change structure. They can be effortlessly removed and reinstalled. After the electrostatic filters, our filter group consists of ozone filters. Our ozone filter is also designed in an electrostatic filter design. They can also be easily removed and reattached. After our ozone filter, we have a carbon filter group made up of active granules. Carbon filters and their installation are designed to be very easy and convenient. After the carbon filter group, there is also our fan group. The filters in ALP electrostatic filter smoke and odor filtration units are determined according to your needs. In our unit, the pre-filters, electrostatic filters, ozone filters, carbon filters, and fan capacity are completely determined according to your needs. Operating our ALP electrostatic filter smoke and odor filtration units is also quite easy. During the manufacturing phase, the control panel is also prepared and delivered to you along with the unit control panel. The city. On our control panel, there are fan switches, on-off switches. We possess security resources in abundance. From the main conditions, when we supply electricity, we can start the fan and then activate the electrostatic filters by turning on the on-off switches on them, making the system operational. Operating the system is quite easy, quite comfortable, quite simple. Our filtration units, depending on your request and project, it is designed to operate with either 220 volts or 380 volts. The unit you see operates at 220 volts. On our control panel, you can adjust the speed of your fan according to your needs using the potentiometer and speed switch. In other words, if only a little suction is needed at that moment, you can reduce the fan speed, and if a lot of suction is required, if you need a very high level of suction, you can increase the fan speed. If you are troubled by smoke and odor, if smoke and odor pose a serious problem for you, this type of unit, if you need such a device, you can reach us at our phone number 0212 503 3536 or 0550 4 959 3808 on our WhatsApp line.